Hello student, now we are going to study about geography paper second, that is the hydrosphere. Now we have to study about unit number 3. It is related to movement of ocean water. In this unit there are two sub topics. These are oceanic waves and ocean currents. In the first subunit we have to study definition, nature and characteristics of waves, then breaking of waves, tsunami waves, definition, characteristics and effects of tsunami waves. In the study of ocean currents, we have to discuss about definition and types of ocean currents, characteristics, causes of origin of ocean currents of the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Oceans, then the effects of ocean currents. Now, oceanic waves. Definition of oceanic waves: the rise and fall in the forward movement in the surface area of the water. Waves are produced by the pressure and friction of the wind on the sea surface. The movement of air across the ocean surface creates ocean waves. Mass movement into the ocean, such as coastal landslides or large icebergs that fall from coastal glaciers, also create waves. These waves are commonly called splash waves. Another way in which large waves are created involves the uplift or down dropping of large areas of the sea floor, which can release a large amount of energy to the entire water column. For the example, volcanic activities, earthquakes. The resulting waves are called seismic waves or tsunamis. As an idealized wave passes a permanent marker, a succession of high parts of the waves called crest, low parts called trough. Halfway between the crest and trough is the still water level or zero energy level. The wave height is the vertical distance between crest and trough. The horizontal distance between any two corresponding points on successive wave forms, such as crest to crest or from trough to trough, is the wavelength. Wave stiffness is the ratio of wave height to wavelength. Then nature of sea waves. The sea water in a wave rises and falls with a slight to and fro motion of a rhythmic character. The water molecules move around the crest and trough in circular manner. Crest of the wave is the highest part of wave, while trough is the lowest part of wave. Wave height is the vertical distance from trough to crest. The wavelength is the horizontal distance from crest to crest or from one trough to next trough. Then characteristics of waves. Most of the characteristics of of ocean waves depend on the relation between their wavelength and water depth. The speed of a ocean wave is controlled by gravity, wavelength, and water depth. Some of the characteristics of ocean waves are: ocean waves come in many shapes and sizes. Waves range in length from a fraction of a centimeter for its smallest ripples to half the circumference of the earth for the tides. Waves are formed by wind, submarine landslide, gravitation, disturbance in a water surface. Then ocean waves travel great distance before reaching the coast. जलभागाच्या सानिध्यात वारा येताच त्या जलभागांचे रूपांतर लाटेत होते. वेगाने वारा एकाच दिशेने वाहत असल्यास पूर्ण विकसित लाटांची निर्मिती होत जाते. वाऱ्याच्या दिशेने लाटेचा शीर्षभाग जास्तीत जास्त पुढे व लाटेचा तळभाग जास्तीत जास्त मागे राहतो. लाटेची उंची ही वाऱ्याची गती, एकाच दिशेने वाहणाऱ्या वाऱ्याचा वहन काळ, समुद्राचा विस्तार यावर अवलंबून असते. लाटेच्या लांबी इतकीच सागराची खोली असणाऱ्या सागर तळावरच लाटेचा प्रभाव पोहोचतो. Then breaking up waves. As the waves move in a shallow water, they lose energy due to friction and distortion caused by the bottom surface. A breaking wave is one whose base can no large support its top, causing it to collapse. लाट फुटण्याची क्रिया. सागर जलावरील लाटा जसजशा परस्त किनाऱ्याकडून अग्र किनाऱ्याकडे व पार्श्व किनाऱ्याकडे येतात तसतशा त्या फुटतात. जेथे लाटेच्या लांबी इतकी सागराची खोली असते त्या भागापासूनच लाटा फुटतात. यावेळी शीर्षभाग उथळ सागर जलावर पडतो. लाटेच्या तळाचे सागर तळाशी घर्षण होऊन लाटेचा व सागर तळाशी घर्षण होत जाते. Here a wave breaks down when it runs into shallow water or when two wave systems oppose and combine forces. When a slope or stiffness ratio of a wave is too great, breaking is inevitable. The distance from the shore where the wave breaks is called plumb line, where the depth of sea water and the wave height are approximately equal. The turbulent forward moving swash or breaker is also called surf. Three main types of breaking waves are identified by surface or surf lifesavers. Then tsunami waves. High energy, the tsunamis are high energy waves in the oceans. These waves originate from sudden changes in the topography of the sea floor, such as high magnitude earthquakes in the ocean floor, volcanic eruptions, massive landslides of coastal lands, submergence of a continental shelf and slope in deep oceanic trenches. The majority of tsunamis are caused by fault movement. Underwater fault movement displaces earth crust, generates earthquakes, which produces a sudden change in water level at the ocean surface. Faults that produce vertical displacement change the volume of the ocean basin, which affects the entire water column and generates tsunami. त्सुनामी म्हणजे महाकाय लाटा. त्सुनामी हा शब्द जपानी भाषेतून आलेला आहे. या शब्दातील त्सु म्हणजे बंदर आणि नामी म्हणजे लाटा होय. Tsunami is a Japanese word meaning thereby harbor waves. Tsunami consists of a Japanese word. Tsu means harbor and Nami means wave. These waves are called seismic waves because most of the tsunamis are generated by seismic activities, that is, the earthquakes. These are also called high energy tidal waves. Tsunami moves away from the center of origin with high speed and low crest across the ocean. Tsunamis are generally divided into distant tsunami or deep sea tsunami and local tsunami. Then the characteristics of tsunami waves. Tsunamis are high energy sea waves. The wavelength exceeding 100 km in a deep ocean, but wavelength decreases coastwards. The speed of tsunami increases with increase in water depth. Tsunami travels with the speed of about 500 to 1000 km per hour. The wave height in the deep ocean is very low, that is 1 meter or so. But tsunamis approaches the coast, the height increases, sometimes exceeding 25 meters or so. The height of water of tsunami waves above mean sea level in the near shore zone is called tsunami run-up. Most of tsunamis occur in the Pacific Ocean, uh, that is about 80%. But they are possible wherever there are large water bodies. Tsunami generally consists of a series of waves with periods of ranging from minutes to hours, arriving in a so-called interval wave train. Tsunamis cause havoc in the coastal areas by destroying human structure and loss of life and property. The time lag between successive tsunami waves ranges between 20 to 40 minutes or so. Then the effects of tsunami waves. The effects of tsunami attack are manifold, ranging from human casualties to loss of properties, including cattle, crop, tourism, fishing, transport system, communication system, destruction of beaches, shifting of location of small islands, deposition of sands on coastal plains, destruction of marine ecological resources, many corals and fishes. Besides, the ferocity of powerful tsunami also creates social problems such as mental stresses leading to physiological disorder and several types of diseases such as epidemics, restlessness, fear, psychosis, etc. are the effects of tsunami waves. Next will be continued during the next period. Thank you.